Proper care will help ensure that your new navel piercing heals well. Anytime you handle your piercing, wash your hands with soap and water first. Gently wipe away any crust around the piercing site once a day with a cotton swab dipped in warm water. Then wash the piercing gently with mild soap and water for about 20 seconds. Rinse away the soap with running water in the shower and pat your piercing dry with a clean paper towel. You can also do a saline soak once a day to keep your piercing clean and reduce irritation. Boil 1 cup, 237 milliliters of water and pour it into a cup. Then stir in 1/4 teaspoon, about 5 grams of sea salt. Once the water is comfortably warm, press the cup over your piercing so it forms a seal against your skin. Then lie back and let the piercing soak for 10 to 15 minutes. As the piercing heals, take vitamins such as vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin D to promote faster healing. To prevent irritation, avoid touching your piercing except when you're cleaning it. Wear loose clothing and avoid getting ointment or other skincare products near the piercing. Don't go swimming or take baths until you've had at least 1 year to heal. And avoid changing your jewelry for at least 4 to 10 weeks. If you notice signs of an infection, such as increasing redness or swelling, a bad odor, or greenish or yellow discharge coming from the wound, see a doctor.